This is probably the simplest sliding closure method for necklaces. To begin, you want to add your pendant or your charm to your cord. So once you've done that, just slide it to the centre. And you can just tie a temporary knot to hold it in place if you want to, just so it doesn't slide off while you're making the closure. Next, you want to attach this to your board. Now you can do this without a board if you prefer, but I just find that it holds the cords in place, just makes it a lot easier to knot with. So I'm just going to use a clip to hold them in place here, like this. So you want to take this cord and knot it over this one. So you want to form a loop and take your tail end and pull it through the loop, and you've formed your first knot. So as you can see, this knot will slide up and down the other cord. So next you want to take your clip, you want to attach it at the other side, and you want to do the same thing with this cord. So this is the cord you just knotted with over this one, so now you're knotting this one over that one. And again, you'll see this knot will slide up and back down over the other cord. So you can remove this from your board, and you should have a closure that will close and open by just sliding the knots over the cords. So once you've done that, you've got some little tail ends there, so you can trim these off with scissors, and then you can add a dab of glue, or if you've got nylon cord like I have, you can slightly melt the ends, but being careful not to affect the cord that you're sliding over, otherwise you will melt it to that cord and it won't slide anymore. And the same at the other side. So once you've done and sealed your end, you should have something like this. You can just pull the knots to make it smaller, or pull them the other way to make it larger.